Hello and welcome to my channel. I am the DIY Ed and today I'm gonna show you how you can make your own pull-up bar for under $25. I have made a design to have a minimal impact on the space. The bar itself is removable, which brings the impact in a space to a bare minimum. This is great for most of us living in small spaces, small apartments like I do, or just doesn't wanna have a pull-up bar sticking as an eyesore 24/7. So let's get started. We are back from the hardware store and we have everything we need for our DIY pull-up bar. We have the 3/4 of an inch pipe, we have the screws, we have the anchors, and most importantly, we have this metal piece which we're gonna use to mount the bar on the wall. So I'm not sure how this is called in English. Basically, it's a part of a big barn lock. It's heavy duty and it can carry a lot of weight. So how we're gonna do this whole setup is we're gonna make a cutoff for the bar to lay in, and we're gonna use a small screw to secure it in place. So basically when you're done, you can also remove the bar completely and it will not be an eyesore in your living room or hallway. You can also use this setup to put a pull-up bar on a corner, basically using it like this. You will just need to do the cutoff with a proper angle and it will work. So which is great. Not everybody has a tight space which they can put a bar across. So using this for the corner wall, it's perfect. So let's get started. I will show you all of the steps of making the pull-up bar. You can speed this part of the video if it's too slow for you. I already lower the volume of this part of the video, so enjoy. we are done with our build and we have a working pull-up bar. As you can see, it has a minimal impact on the space. I decided to only use 2 screws on each side as it wasn't necessary for more in my case. I myself weigh around 230 pounds, which is 105 kilos, and the flex is minimum, as you can see from this clip and the next one. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will try my best to answer them. And if you enjoy this DIY, please press the like button, it will help me a lot. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects ranging in different categories, as I enjoy doing them. Thank you for watching.